Isn't that amazing?
AI is coming for your job. Okay, that might sound a bit dramatic, but seriously, have you seen the news lately? AI is everywhere and it's changing everything. But hey, don't panic just yet. There are some jobs, some essential human jobs that AI can't touch. These are jobs that are only going to become more important as technology advances. So if you're ready to future-proof your career, stick around because today, I'm revealing those 5 careers plus, and this is the good stuff, how to get into them. Okay, let's talk about job security. When you think of jobs that are absolutely positively essential, what comes to mind? Brain surgeons? Firefighters? Well, add nurses to that list. Because while AI is getting really good at diagnosing diseases, sometimes even better than humans, there's one thing it can't do: care. Think about it. Would you want a robot comforting you after a devastating diagnosis? Or holding your hand as you say goodbye to a loved one? No way. We crave human connection, especially in our most vulnerable moments. Jobs like nursing, physical therapy, hospice care, these are human-only zones. The demand for healthcare workers is going through the roof, growing faster than AI can even dream of replacing them. There are so many different paths you can take, from becoming a registered nurse to specializing in a specific area like geriatric care or pediatrics. And the best part is, you don't necessarily need a 4-year degree to get started. There are tons of programs out there for certified nursing assistants or medical assistants, which can get your foot in the door and give you valuable experience while you continue your education. Trust me, robots will never replace the human touch, the empathy, the genuine care that healthcare professionals provide. Okay, put on your thinking caps for a second. What do plumbers, electricians, and welders all have in common? Give up? They all require specialized skills and knowledge that you can't just download into a robot. Go ahead, Google AI plumber, I'll wait. See? Nothing. Because AI might be able to write a sonnet or compose an opera, but it can't fix a leaky faucet or rewire your house, at least not yet. These trades require critical thinking, problem solving, and good old-fashioned human ingenuity. Robots can follow instructions, but they can't improvise on the fly when something unexpected happens. The demand for skilled tradespeople is skyrocketing right now, and so are the salaries. The average electrician makes around $80,000 a year, and guess what? AI isn't going to change that. In fact, as technology gets more complex, the need for skilled humans to install, maintain, and repair it is only going to increase. Forget robots taking over the world, these are the jobs that'll be running it. Chapter 3. The Human Connection, Mental Health in the Age of AI. Let's talk about mental health for a minute, because in this age of technology and constant stimulation, it's more important than ever. And while there are apps for that, I'm looking at you, Wobot. They can't replace the power of human connection that comes from talking to a trained professional. AI chatbots can be helpful tools, don't get me wrong. They can provide basic information, offer coping mechanisms, and even track your mood over time. But they can't provide the empathy, the understanding, the deep human connection that's so essential for healing. Therapy is about so much more than just exchanging information. It's about creating a safe and trusting space where you can explore your thoughts and feelings without judgment. The demand for mental health professionals has exploded in recent years, and it's only going to continue to grow. If you're a naturally empathetic person, if you're a good listener, and if you're passionate about helping others, then a career in mental health could be incredibly rewarding. Now, becoming a therapist does require a graduate degree, but there are lots of different paths you can take. The point is, if you're looking for a career that's both in demand and deeply meaningful, mental health is a field worth exploring. Chapter 4. Creative Directors, the Storytellers of the Future. Alright, let's talk about creativity. Because in a world that's increasingly dominated by algorithms and artificial intelligence, the ability to think outside the box, to come up with original ideas, is more valuable than ever. And that's where creative directors come in. Sure, AI can generate images, write jingles, even edit videos, but it can't understand the nuances of human emotion, the subtleties of storytelling, the art of crafting a message that truly resonates with people. That's why the best brands in the world still hire human creative directors to lead their marketing campaigns, to develop their brand identities, and to tell their stories in a way that connects with audiences on a deeper level. Think about your favorite ad campaigns, the ones that make you laugh, make you think, or maybe even make you cry a little. Those campaigns weren't created by robots. They were created by teams of talented humans led by visionary creative directors. If you have a knack for storytelling, a passion for design, and a deep understanding of what makes people tick, then a career as a creative director could be your calling. Now, I'm not going to lie, becoming a creative director takes hard work and dedication, but if you're willing to put in the time and effort, the rewards can be immense. Chapter 5. The Meta Pick. Become an AI trainer. Okay, we've talked about healthcare, skilled trades, mental health, and even the creative fields. But now, for the ultimate plot twist, the career that's not just AI-proof, but AI-powered AI training. Think about it. Who's teaching all those AI systems how to think, how to learn, how to act more human? That's right, it's us. Humans are still the ones behind the curtain, the Wizards of Oz, making sure the AI doesn't go rogue and turn our toasters against us. AI trainers are the bridge between technology and humanity. They take complex algorithms and make them understandable, usable, and even helpful to everyday people. And here's the irony. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the demand for AI trainers is only going to increase. Companies are willing to pay top dollar, think $150,000 or more, for skilled AI trainers who can help them build the next generation of intelligent machines. If you're good with technology, you enjoy problem solving, and you have a knack for understanding how people think, then a career in AI training could be your golden ticket to the future. So there you have it, 5 incredible career paths that are not just AI resistant, but AI thriving. These are jobs where your uniquely human skills, your empathy, your creativity, your problem-solving abilities, will always be in demand. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you already in one of these fields? What's it like? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're not in one of these fields, don't worry, there's still hope. Hit that subscribe button because next week I'm going to show you how to pivot into an AI-proof career without going back to school. So hit subscribe and join me next week as we explore the exciting world of AI-proof careers.
Isn't that amazing?